Welcome to your test for Module 2, Rational Numbers, and Module 3, Multiplying and Dividing Fractions. Number 1. Dale has a special deck of cards. Each card has a different rational number on it. The cards are 25 hundredths, 4 fifths, 2 ninths, 48 hundredths, and 8 elevenths. How many cards have a value that is greater than 1/2? A. None of these. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. Number 2. Which set of rational numbers is correctly ordered from least to greatest? A. Negative 48 hundredths, negative 47 hundredths, negative 46 hundredths, negative 45 hundredths. B. Negative 48 hundredths, negative 46 hundredths, negative 47 hundredths, negative 45 hundredths. C. Negative 45 hundredths, negative 47 hundredths, negative 48 hundredths, negative 46 hundredths. D. Negative 45 hundredths, negative 46 hundredths, negative 47 hundredths, negative 48 hundredths. Number 3. Point A has a coordinate of negative 31 hundredths. Point B has a coordinate of negative 33 hundredths. Point C has a coordinate of negative 38 hundredths. D has a coordinate of negative 29 hundredths. Which number line shows the correct placement of the points in the table above? A. C, B, A, D. B. C, B, A, D. C. A, C, B, D. D. B, C, A, D. Number 4. Kendra placed the numbers negative 3/8, 27 hundredths, negative 3/10, and 4/7 on the number line. Which of the numbers is furthest from 0? A. Negative 3/8. B. Negative 3/10. C. 27 hundredths. D. 4/7. Number 5. Which statement about rational numbers is not correct? A. All rational numbers are also integers. B. 0 is a rational number. C. All integers are also rational numbers. D. All rational numbers can be written in the form A over B. Number 6. Which of the following is equivalent to 2 fifths times 3/8? A. 3/8 divided by 2 fifths. B. 2 fifths divided by 3/8. C. 2 fifths divided by 8 thirds. D. 5 halves divided by 8 thirds. Number 7. Linda's container of cranberry juice holds 200 milliliters. Harry's container holds 7/8 as much juice. How many milliliters of cranberry juice does Harry's container hold? A. 100. B. 175. C. 207. D. 229. Number 8. What is the reciprocal of 2 and 3/8? A. Negative 19/8. B. Negative 8/19. C. 8/19. D. 19/8. Number 9. Darren cut a 4 7/8 inch piece of string into pieces that are 3/8 of an inch long each. How many pieces of string did he cut? A. 13. B. 14. C. 15. D. 16. Number 10. James measured a piece of construction paper to be 6 3/4 inches wide and 9 2/3 inches long. What is the area of the piece of construction paper in square inches? A. 15 5/7. B. 54 1/2. C. 55 5/12. D. 65 1/4. Number 11. Alexis divided a 1 3/4 pound bag of apples among her 3 friends. How many pounds of apples did each friend receive? A. 7/12. B. 2/3. C. 3/4. D. 5/6. You have reached the end of your test. Please rewind and listen to each question as necessary. Make sure that you have entered this into DMAC and turn your test in to your teacher.